Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm bringing you on a behind the scenes photo shoot vlog style. So you're gonna not just see me photographing at the studio, but setting up and getting all the pieces together for styling this session. And I'm so blessed to say that HoneyBook is sponsoring this video. I've been using HoneyBook in my photography business for 7 years, so this is a huge deal to me. HoneyBook is an all-in-one client relationship management tool where you can send out contracts, invoices, proposals, and they're doing a $10,000 prize package giveaway where there will be 10 winners. I'm so excited. It'll be at the top of the description box if you're interested in checking it out right now. Welcome to the video. Anything I mention, share, it'll all be in the description box below. And I'm shooting today at my favorite studio, Sage and Soul over in Ruston. Let me show you what in general I have prepped for the photo shoot. Now this is a creative shoot with one of my good friends, so we're kind of just going off of the vibes. Which is also very girly. Inside here is a ton of jewelry, costume jewelry, vintage costume jewelry, some that I've just bought for photo shoots and thrifted, vintage brooches. I'm gonna bring these little ostrich feathers. I love having tons and tons of layers. The more layers to a styled look, the better, in my opinion, for photography, because it adds more detail, color, texture, shine. Here's what I've been loving to do lately is mixing these lucite bangles with this patina brass Victorian cuff I got at a flea market. I've styled so many shoots with this and I wear it to my personal collection too, but I thought it could be cool to bring a couple different pearls. These are really, really long strands. So let me formally introduce you to my rescue dog, Lovebug. She's coming to the photo shoot, of course. She goes everywhere with me that she can. This is my rack of vintage. The dress that I most recently got from a flea market is this Gunny Sat, or is it Jessica McCormick? I have this very 80s purple dress, princess seams, this amazing lace that now I feel like this would look really cheesy, but with all of the layering that we're gonna do, it's gonna look so cool. And my favorite part about this is actually these sleeves. Check out this kind of ruffle. It's so interesting, right? And then you guys, this bow, it's amazing, right? And it comes already fluffed with like a petticoat under it, which is such an amazing thing. And I do want to bring an additional dress as a backup. This gunny sack. This is such a cool Cinderella dress. I've actually shot with this before in another photo shoot video. My Rococo photo shoot. Okay, this is an unnamed one, but it's a union one. And it has that tag on it. If you know anything about vintage, I don't know too much, but I know that that's pretty cool. This is a really cute one. I just don't know if it's the vibe. I love it. I just feel like it's pretty simple. So all of these photos are going to be taken from like the belly button up. Here is my bin of ribbons. I'm going to bring this. Got it off of Etsy. Here's another that's very vintagey, interesting color. This vintage lace. What's the store? Little Wing and the Fox. I don't know. I got it at one of the flea markets. The flea market I keep referring to is called the Great Junk Hunt, and it happens in Monroe and Puyallup, Washington, like twice a year. Should I? This one I don't think really goes. Let's bring some lace too. Everything's in the car. Now it's time for me to get dressed, get some breakfast, and I just talked to my friend Jessica. She asked if I had a lash, and I do. I have one last pair of my favorite eyelashes. I'm gonna bring these to her because false lashes in a photo shoot make a huge difference, and I just love a false lash. I'm wearing them right now. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I am just so excited that HoneyBook is working with me on this video. So let's talk about it because this giveaway is massive. In a nutshell, HoneyBook powers billions of client interactions with tools to manage leads, clients, projects, finances. The core features that I use are invoicing, contracts. I love that it tracks down payments. You can set up a payment plan, payment schedule, automated reminder. It's so much easier than me like coordinating and making sure every party signed the contract, that they paid the invoice. Okay, the photo shoot is tomorrow and they still haven't paid and I've reminded them. Now I don't have to be the bad guy guy and remind them, HoneyBook works as the perfect middleman. HoneyBook keeps my business organized and the client process running smoothly. Imagine this, you get an email from a client and instead of digging through your inbox, missing the email on accident, responding like a week later, HoneyBook helps you respond instantly in a professional way that keeps you organized and on top of your game. You can set up HoneyBook to automate every step of the booking process, the client preparation process, and the after. So with HoneyBook, you and your client have the whole project all in one place and automated through the program. No more back and forth, no chasing payments, and most importantly, no missing potential leads in your inbox. When you sign up for a HoneyBook trial this month in January, you will be automatically entered to win their January Jumpstart giveaway. And the prize is a $10,000 prize package to help you grow your business. $5,000 for professional development, $4,000 in custom workflows built by a HoneyBook Pro. All that stuff I was talking to you about earlier about what it can do, that times 1,000 and customized for your business and your branding. And a full year of HoneyBook Premium. And the best part is there are 10 winners of this giveaway. If you're ready to get your business organized, take it to the next level, you want to do more automation or full automation, start your free trial with HoneyBook and complete the setup so you are automatically entered to win the January Jumpstart giveaway. Here's a quick outfit of the day. This is a thrifted dress that I got on the Real from Love Shack Fancy, my favorite clothing brand ever, and I got it for $45. I love it because the color is exactly the color of this gallery wall. It's perfect. I love the stars and I love that it's 100% silk. And then I have a backup pair of clothes for the drive home if I kind of get tired of wearing the mini dress. Finally, time to head over to the studio. We have made it to the photo studio, Sage and Soul in Ruston, Washington. I love this studio because of the location. It's a couple minutes from Point Defiance Park or the Ruston waterfront in Tacoma. It's a private parking lot. You're in a residential area. I will have Sage and Soul linked down below. My friend runs it and it's seriously so amazing. And you also get access to this light. Just inside of here is this light. It's called an Einstein. Here is my camera trunk. The cameras are all set up, but I love this. It is from Manfrotto. It's TSA approved, so you can use it as a carry-on. It's shock resistant. This insert comes out totally. And then all of this is Velcro and customizable. And then I have my little low pro accessory pouch. This fits perfectly into my camera backpack. I can't recommend having a camera trunk enough. The camera that I'm using is my Canon 5D Mark IV and then the 85 1.2 from Canon. This I bought used on KEH and I got it for several $100s off because see this little ding right here on the lower left hand corner? It doesn't affect me putting a lens cap on, it doesn't affect the glass or picture quality, but because the ding in the ring, I was able to save some money. So I got this used on KEH this past year. And then the camera that I use for behind the scenes videos is the Canon R that I got from a friend, the 24-105 zoom. This is 15 years old. I have to show you guys with the boots. Isn't that? Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm at the studio now with Jessica. Hello, you might recognize her. She brought some pieces also of her own that I'm super excited about.
So I brought this vintage gal. I haven't tried her on in a minute, but she is beautiful.
Super cool. I love these like iridescent ones on the side.
And this one's like high neck with long sleeves, so super fun for like lifting and playing around the face.
Even this is so cute.
It's stunning.
Oh my gosh.
This is also
careful,
attached to the beads.
Oh, that is
also
so
super
cute.
Like it's short sleeve, but this one is like high neck too.
This is so cute. Where did you get this?
I think I got this one at Magpie in Portland.
Oh.
This is like the it spot. Some of the stuff is more spendy. This one was $32. I haven't taken the tag off yet.
This is so cute. It's like daisies.
Super cute.
Okay, yes, we definitely need to shoot.
this
Actually, I
isn't,
have a
like-
backdrop that could be interesting
This
with
isn't
that.
also like a clothing item, but I figured we could like play with this. Here's
Over
kind
the
of,
shoulder kind of thing.
kind of the vibe I was thinking. Over the chest.
Yes,
or something.
yes, yes, yes.
But this even could be cute, like layered in front, like if we have a table or something.
Yes, this dress, it's the one that you have to trust me about.
Yeah.
This one I brought as a backup. And
I love
then
that.
Ooh,
What?
who's that guy? He's cute.
Hi.
Watch out,
Call
love.
the camera there. I am just
Cute for someone else, but I've never seen that kind of cute in
Tall,
Washington.
cute,
period.
employed, has a vehicle.
Yeah, literally. Adorable. Some of my mom's, these aren't real, but some of her pearls, they're just in
Cute.
here so that they don't scratch or whatever she's worried about. These are really, really long, so we could do like that as maybe the base of the necklace,
Okay,
and then
yeah.
the stuff over. Ribbon, and the reason I have a flat iron is because to iron the ribbon so that there's
Okay.
not like a crease or anything. I also have these. I did a shoot. I put 2 brooches like at the base of the feather.
Giving
So it's like
Bridgerton?
cute. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
it's very cute. It's really cute. I love those too. They kind of remind me of.
I mean,
so
this would
these are
even be cute in the hair too.
Ooh,
That would be really cute.
About,
Okay.
Ooh. It's a little rough.
Hear me out. If it were just the shoulder with the fluff,
That's cute.
cute, but like
It's giving assembly
Aunt
of
Myrtle.
socks. Or is it ugly? Oh, we should just not do this outfit. Okay, so the outfit was ugly. I kept saying, trust in me, and I started losing hope in myself. So the vision was there, but I'm kind of now afraid of that dress. I'm like, oh, did I just waste $40? Something about the apple, I think it's cute, but the time will come. The time will present itself. So we are going to do the beaded dress that Jessica brought.
do the pearls or
No, I feel like then we'll. I'm done with pearls. My hope is being restored.
I don't know
Jessica's
about
still a
this
bit
one.
traumatized from the look, but we're trying to figure out what brooch would be cute. What if we do that with the other dress, that like very mauve
Okay.
one? How cute do you look? Seriously, so cute. So cute. What's your face ever? Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. That's super cute. I'm gonna have you grab from more of the middle of the hair. Yep, beautiful. So then we still get the shape. Press it a little bit more into you and then swing your elbow. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. With this hand, I always want you to go doop with it. Yes, so we imagine you have a manicure and you want to show the manicure. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Drop your chin up. Yep, you already read my mind. Super cute. Now I'm gonna have you turn your face a little bit more towards me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Give me a little, yeah, cute. I almost wonder, should we do
These are cute.
another outfit, or should we do, maybe bring the table over so you can put your hand on the table or something like
Yeah.
that? You could grab the beaded dress to
Okay.
put down, so then we have the pearl
Yeah,
texture.
let's do it.
do that. Perfect. Thank you. My ankles are about to snap. It's for the boobs. It's for the outfit. And the way it's completely self-inflicted because we're in a studio. Like, but come on, it's for the branding.
I know. Do we still love everything?
Yes, yes. Okay, yeah, gorgeous. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but
I'll just like casually float them a little.
yeah. Beautiful. I'm gonna have you look towards the light now. Yeah, beautiful. Drop your chin ever so slightly. Beautiful. Now, turn your face like this. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Look up at me. And then do a big smile. Cute. We're in the next look, and we've added this little kind of fluffy thing. Look at that butterfly. So now let's do on your dominant hand a big stack. They're all in similar tones, like patinaed brass. Okay, I have this little star pin. I think it could be cute if I can pin it through this bracelet maybe. Adorable. And then what size ring do you have? Can I put all my rings on you?
Yeah. If we can make them fit, let's do it.
Let's see. Because they're that like vintagey, cute. Here, give me a little moment for the camera. Ooh, that's cute. Okay. We are going to shoot the next look, the final look. Super cute, like patina, everything. I love it with your tattoos. So cute, you guys. You look so cute, seriously. Oh my gosh, you guys, that photo shoot was so much fun. I'm going to end off the vlog here. Be sure to subscribe and also to check out Honeybook. The free trial and the giveaway information is linked at the top of the description box. If you're a photographer, you're looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. It's the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. You can listen and learn every week to the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know how you liked this format of behind the scenes or more of the traditional way that I have been doing it in the past. I want to change it up a little for 2025, but let me know so I can know what to create to help you and your business. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.